After I left Uydel with the skill, I went looking for salons to work in and I worked for 3 months. I saved some money and I came back to the teacher who taught us for advice because I wanted to start my own salon.
Medina is one of thousands of young people whose lives have been transformed by Uganda Youth Development Link, also known as Uydel, through their mobile clinics, drop-in and rehabilitation centers.
Before I went to Uydel, I was into commercial sex. I started commercial sex at the age of 17 when my aunt I was staying with passed away. We were very many girls living in the same house and surviving was very hard. The only way to survive was serving clients' sexual needs. We could go meet clients, come back, get another and continue like that, and that is how we survived.
Medina was introduced to Uydel and through them, she was able to start transforming her life.
Uydel helps a number of young people. Among these we have the commercially sexually exploited children, the victims of child trafficking, the drug abusers, and the street children. Uydel provides services like counseling, vocational skills training, behavior change communication sessions, rehabilitation, temporary shelter, especially to the young people who are trafficked and from the streets, and those who have been recruited from the commercial sex exploitation of children.
I completed the hairdressing course because I felt that what I was being offered was the very best for me. On the graduation day, I was filled with so much happiness because I never expected to get this far. While learning the skills, I have gained so much patience and I think it's worthy celebrating for.
Uydel also trains teenagers in other job skills like electronics, tailoring, and motorbike mechanics.
Out of 100%, 70% of our graduates are able to get jobs, and this is relatively a higher rate as compared to the unemployment percentage among the youths in Uganda.
Today, Medina works with other youth who have been forced into prostitution or trafficking. Through peer support and education, they help each other share and heal from their experiences.
The community perceived me very badly before, but now all that has changed. I'm now respected and interact freely with the people in the community. But ever since I came to Uydel, I was counseled, guided and trained, and I feel at peace with myself.
The Uganda Youth Development Link empowers young people to make a positive difference in their own lives and to others around them.
So, after getting my certificate, I went back to formal education. I have just finished my primary 7 last year.
I had STD, but they treated me. I'm now very safe.